Hello guys, it's winter here. So lalabas kami ni Tom. Ihahatid ko siya dahil papasok siya sa work niya. Baby, are you ready?
No.
No pa daw. Later daw. Guys, ito lalabas na kami ni Tom. Baby, wait. Ay! May snow na! Baby! There is a snow.
It's snowing now too.
Yeah.
It's snowing now.
Snowing na.
What kind of snow? That's sleety snow.
Yeah, look. What do you call that?
Sleet and snow.
Okay. So guys, ayan, lalabas kami nito. May snow na! So, ayan. Tingnan nyo ganit namin. Chay. Oh, diba? So, ayan. Siyahatid ko siya palabas.
Shut it down, man. It might as well.
Ooh.
Shut it down.
Ooh. My ass. They see the guy. Oh, they see it. So, again. Ay, oo nga, maraming snow. It's a lot of snow, baby. It's almost 2 to 3 thick inches.
It's about an inch.
No, 2 to 3.
It's about an inch. It's about an inch.
Okay, I have to
Like
go.
half an inch.
Ayan yung labas ng ano namin, ng compa. So, ayan, nag-snow sa Texas. Yeah. I take the shot. Baby, wait. You have to take a picture here. Wait lang. Oh, shit. Ay. Ito. Ang lamig. Uy. Mas malakas ang ano ngayong umaga. It's 7 o'clock ng umaga ngayon, guys. Pabalik na ako. Paalis na sila. Ayan si Tom. Uy. Grabe. Ayan. Diba? Oh my God. Hello, good morning. This is now. It's snowy. Hey, look. Yeah. So, meron akong mga neighbor. So, ano na, alas 7. Ayun sila. Yung maglola. So, ayan, first snow dito sa ano. May kinabasa kasi yung paa ko. So, nagkaroon ng snow dito. Ayan, tinan nyo guys. So, ang saya lang, di ba? Okay, bye! Ayan o, may snow ang ating kamay. Grabe, oh. Ayan, oh. Sabi, snow, tingnan nyo. Ayan, oh. Makita nyo dito sa Mahilawan. Ayan, oh. Diba? Ayan, oh. Uy! Ayan, ang first snow namin dito sa Texas. Ayan, bye!